Willbee the Bumblebee, story by Craig Smith and Maureen Thomson, illustrated by Katz, Cowley. Willbee the Bumblebee lives his life in your garden so happily. Up early in the morning till the evening hour, flying around from flower to flower. Now, everybody knows, I suppose, without bees in your garden, nothing grows. They take the pollen to where it's supposed to be. That's how nature works. Good job, Willbee! Now bumblebees, from the day they are born, wear a black and yellow jersey just to keep them warm. And Willbee's was special. It was a perfect fit, because Willbee's mother had knitted it. Willbee was out one sunny day. Unknown to him, his jersey had begun to fray, and his jersey caught where it was torn, right on the end of a rose's thorn. And as Willbee flew away, he did not stop. His jersey unraveled from the bottom to the top, and when he realized this, he lost his home. He was showing the whole garden his bare bum. Well, with no jersey and being late in the day, Willbee was so cold he couldn't fly away. He was frightened and all alone. All he wanted to do was to get home. Now Monica the butterfly, she flew down. She told Willbee to wipe off his frown. She'd seen what had happened and thought she knew what to do. She gathered all the wool up and off she flew. With the unraveled wool, she flew to Spider Steve and asked him for help because she knew he could weave. With the twist of his arm, she had him agree. He would weave the wool they had and make a new jersey. Now Spider Steve, he finished so quickly. He used a pattern he'd found in the Woman's Weekly. Money, with a smile, she thanked him so. But Willbee needed help, and now she had to go. She found Willbee where he was last. She said, "Quick, put this on, really fast." With his new jersey on, he got back his hum. All his bits were warm up, even his bum. Willbee hugged Bonnie with a big thank you. He asked her to thank Spider Steve for him too. But now, back to his house, he had to go. For he knew his mom would worry because she loved him so. Now, on a sunny day in your backyard, you might still see Willbee working hard, from flower to flower and carefree, wearing his new black and yellow jersey. The end.
Hi everybody! If you like this video, subscribe here for more. Bye!